to Mukul Bro's channel again. Hello guys, welcome to Mukul Bro's channel again, and today we are going to unbox this new headset, that is mono Bluetooth headset, that is known as MBH20. So guys, this is Sony and here are the specification. So this can connect with two phones, that is really amazing, and it active on 7 hours, and on standby it lasts for about 200. And here is the 1 year warranty which come from the Sony, and on the back side we get the content in the box. This is the Sony MBH20, and here is the data cable, and so guys, here's the Sony branding, and let's unbox this. So here is the manual, Sony manual, some important information, and here is the how to charge this, and all kinds of stuffs related to this MBH. And here is the warranty, or another kind of manual, and here comes the data cable, and here comes the Sony MBH20. So let's remove this out. So just a second, let's open this seal using my knife. Yep, here it is. So let's, and here is the, this is a Sony MBH20. This is it looks like. This is very compact and beautiful design, and here is the earpiece which goes in your ear, which is very comfortable. And here is the micro USB from which you can charge this device. And let me tell you about this, and this is the power on off switch. And I must say, this is a very compact design and beautiful, I must say. It comes in matte black. So guys, here is the microphone which enhance your voice and helps to capturing your voice very efficiently. And this is very amazing. If you like this, so I have also included this link in the description from which you can buy this product. And here is the notification LED and nothing else. So guys, pretty much design already I've said this. So if you like my videos, please subscribe the button and press the bell icon. Okay, so thank you. Like my channel.